Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we'll talk about how to add HD admin to your game in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we have to go to Roblox Studios. To do that, in the search panel, we'll type Roblox Studio, then click on open. After that, we'll go to My Games. Then choose any game that you want to add HD admin in. Firstly, let the game load properly. After that, go to the toolbox section and under the models segment, choose admin. Then click on HD admin. Now click OK. After that, you can put the HD admin box anywhere. Then under workspace and HD admin, double click on settings. From here, you can configure HD admin according to your needs. You can add your HD admin under Game Pass. You can add your friends to your admins list by just clicking admin beside friends. You can also enable free admin from here. You can ban certain people, and you can do various other things from here. In this video, we'll just choose our in-game name as the head admin of the server. So we'll just write our name beside head admin. Then just close the setting and click on play the game. After getting into the game, a window will pop up notifying that we are currently the owner of the server, and by pressing on that, you will see all the commands that are available to you and the other admins in the game. You can use these commands and utilize their benefits in your server. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.